Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Benz Revival series, part of my main series of Masai Gains on cars. So this is my sub-series, Benz Revival. If you saw the previous videos, you know I'm working on this 1996 Mercedes C180. That was my childhood car. You know, really had some good memories in it, and then it sat for a while, but I really do believe this W202 C-Class is a future classic. So I've invested in this vehicle. I've brought it back to life. It had sat for about 6 years, and we're finally at a stage where I've been driving it around for a couple of days now and just really soaking in everything, really nostalgic. So let me take you through it. So here we are. You know, I had done the initial cleanup, but check out this classic 90s Mercedes design. The wood is not in bad condition. There's a bit of overspray here which I need to deal with. When I decided to spray this, I have no idea why. And we've got a bit of sun damage that I will take care of. But pretty good condition, can't complain. And it's just black on black, all black on black, this vehicle. And of course I did, if you saw the previous video, this was broken. I got that replaced. New Pioneer system with Bluetooth and whatnot. My AC is not functional at the moment. And it is, of course, a classic manual gearbox. This piece, I got to order that as well. This leather is a bit worn. Wood has got cracks in it. But apart from that, we're all right. We're all right. So hey, let's see an update from the previous video. Let's turn this on. Fires right up. Full tank of fuel. Check it out. It's probably not very easy to drive a manual and video at the same time, but hey, let's give it a shot, right? So I have got a bit of squeaking. You can hear that squeaking. That's probably my discs. And the car probably needs a bit of good greasing, which I am gonna take care of. This is not a very good road. Jesus. I forgot how smooth this car is though in these kind of roads. This is quite a rough road. Dead end. Let's give it a rev. Let's hear that engine. like these old Mercedes. And the main thing is that manual gearbox. How much fun is it to drive manual? It's just a pleasure to feel like you're actually driving. So give the car a good clean. It does look better. There was a bit of oxidization on this hood, but I managed to get it out with a toothbrush and a bit of grease remover. So if you missed previous videos, I recommend you go and check them out. But this is my 1996 Benz. It's actually a local spec, so this was brought in, manufactured in South Africa. Manual M111 engine, W202 chassis. So this replaced the 190E, which was such a successful model for Mercedes. And then they came out with this, the C-Class, which just blew everyone away. Very basic sort of vehicle, but so much fun to drive. They sold millions and millions of units of these. So before I take you through everything that I have actually got fixed on this vehicle, let's just open up this hood. It's a bit difficult with one hand. And here we see how that engine is running. Those who are following know that this expansion tank I did get it replaced. Did get the air mass sensor replaced as well. Bunch of wiring that I got done. Let me take you through the rest of the stuff inside the vehicle. Let me turn off the car. So how did we get to this point? Let me take you through everything that I have got replaced on this vehicle. The fan was not turning off. It was running the full time. It's extremely loud. So that was to do with the temperature switch. Got that replaced. My clutch pedal failed on me when I was driving one day, when just one of the first times that the car came out of the garage. So master cylinder and slave cylinder also got replaced. My ignition was having issues, basically the anti-theft system, the immobilizer, that was malfunctioning, and because my driver's lock is spoiled, and my automatic locking system with the key is also spoiled. So the car, sometimes it would start, then you would turn it off and you would try to start it again, it doesn't start. That means the immobilizer was coming on, so the car was not letting itself start. It was thinking it was getting stolen or something. So I had to get my ECU programmed. I had to disable the immobilizer, and then the car was functioning well. I also got my crankshaft position sensor replaced because that was also affecting my ignition. So the list goes on. Apart from that, what else was involved? I had a bunch of suspension bits that I got replaced. We're talking control arms, a bunch of bushings. Driver's lock I'm yet to do, so it is still spoiled. So I can lock everything in the vehicle, but except the driver's door. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm well into this vehicle now, and there's no turning back now. So I wanted to turn it into a reliable, just a reliable car that I can pick up any day, go somewhere. You know, it's an economical car. It's supposed to get great fuel mileage as I remember it. So, and I enjoyed driving it a lot. So at this point, we've still got a bunch of things to do. I've got to sort out the driver's lock. I've maybe got to work on the paint on the vehicle. I've got to restore this dash a bit better. I've got to remove the overspray on the air conditioned vents. And yeah, we would pretty much take it from there. So just to take a look at some of the parts that were replaced. You can see those arms over there. Stabilizer as well. Master cylinder, slave cylinder, brake pads. Driver's lock is also over there. And yeah, subwoofer also got rewired. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Hit like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.